Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start.
History ng Coffee and Tea Connection, it started out before start kami as a retail store sa loob ng Clark International Airport. Then eventually, nagkaroon ng malaking problema ang milk tea industry. So we have to reinvent again. Kaya nabuo yung Coffee and Tea Connection kasi nag-boom naman yung coffee business. Yung anak ko sa mahilig siya sa milk tea, then ako, coffee naman. So, para yung passion namin, may combine. Yun, just dahil nga sa mga kabataan, para i-cater namin yung mga kabataan.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone.
Bestseller po namin sa Frap yung Java Chips and sa milk tea po yung Winter Melon, Dark Choco, Okinawa. 8 p.m. po or sa morning po mga 3 p.m.
Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Sa lahat ng viewers ng La Contero TV, if ever madaan kayo dito sa Magalang, Pampanga, we have this little coffee shop named the Coffee and Tea Connection na pwede ninyong pasyalan and we can serve you for your coffee needs.